Hey, what's up, y'all? Got a quick video here to show you in the middle of Nowheresville, West Texas. Um, this is a common defect I find. As you can see there, this siding, this trim, this fascia, whatever you want to call it, is right down in contact with that roof. So what happens every time water runs down that roof, when it rains, snows, whatever, it's soaking up into that wooden fascia. And over time, especially on homes with asphalt shingles, that water can sit there and take a little bit longer to dry than it's going to on this metal roof. Obviously, it's just going to run off usually with a metal roof. But regardless of the type of roofing material, it's going to soak up in that fascia and cause rot. And then eventually you're going to be replacing that fascia. So it's a really easy fix for the roofer to do it right the first time. All they've got to do is just not have that fascia, that trim, that siding in contact with the roof. Leave a little bit of an air gap there below. The manufacturers vary on their opinions, but usually an inch or so is probably plenty most of the time. We don't have a lot of snow here, obviously. So those of you watching this video in other areas of the country, just keep that in mind. Weather's a little different here than probably where you live. But anyway, it's a great idea to have